It is very popular printing mandalas on t-shirt. The pattern looks complicated, but actually it's quite easy to draw your own brilliant mandalas in Photoshop. Create a Photoshop file of 1000 by 1000 pixels. Here we set the background color to black. Create a new layer for drawing. Select the brush tool at the side toolbar. To draw a pattern suitable for DTF printing, we need to make sure the brush stroke is smooth and minimize the zigzag at the line edges. Here are some points you need to pay attention to. Select a brush with a solid opacity and create a brush stroke by clicking and dragging. Here you can see the resulting edge won't appear as one continuous, seamless line. The brush stroke is a sequence of successive brush shapes rather than a continuing line. So the space among brush shapes in a stroke leads to discontinuous or unnatural edges. This issue can be obvious when you see the magnified pattern. To solve this problem, we can adjust the spacing of the brush. By minimizing the spacing to 1% and maximizing the smoothing to 100%, you can influence the distance between the individual brush shapes, allowing for smoother and more continuous strokes, ultimately aiding in the creation of more precise and well-defined edges. For DTF printing, it can manifest even if the line is only 1 pixel wide. But if you are printing a hollowed pattern, 1 pixel width is not enough. The line could get broken when heat pressed onto a t-shirt. Usually it is suitable to set the width to 1.5 millimeters. 1 pixel is equal to about 0.265 millimeters. So you can set the width of brush stroke to 5 or 6 pixels. In this video, I will draw a simple design as an example. I may make another video with a more elaborate design next week. Click on the Set Symmetry Options for Painting icon. Select the Mandala option in the drop-down menu. Set the segment count to 10. Click the check icon to confirm the symmetric transform. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the cursor to draw patterns. You can create several layers for different elements, and finally merge all layers to one image. I will use the DTF Pro printer to print the design. Let's take a look at the final result on the close. This printer features dual print heads and is equipped with an automatic white ink circulation system, resulting in a very fast printing speed and smooth inkjet output. I have chosen this design for demonstration. The little value of L1 that's counting is measured distance. After measuring the position of the pattern on the t-shirt, carefully place the printed design onto the garment and complete the remaining steps using a heat press machine.